Hey folks, it's my 30-day video sprint all Earth month long to help you be more sustainable at home and at the office. So today we're talking about fast fashion and textile waste. Fast fashion is like that toxic ex, cheap, flashy, and bad for your future. Do you ever think about what happens to your old clothing? Other textiles? Just think about this. Every second, a dump truck of clothes gets trashed somewhere in the world. But what if we just stopped that? You can try innovative strategies like a clothing swap with friends or family, maybe even neighbors, the local thrift store in your area, or consider renting outfits for events. So when you repair or restyle, you're saving money, but you're also saving the planet. So we want to look at things like slow fashion. Google slow fashion. We want a wardrobe revolution in your closet. And circular fashion and zero waste culture should be things that are folded into the way that you are purchasing clothing. You want to look at companies that might not have such a great track record of using sweatshops, maybe child labor. There are lots of companies around the world that implement those kinds of practices that you don't want to be a part of. Don't give them your money. But you do want to support the local circular economy, so go ahead and try your thrift stores. The more that you can save those textiles from landfill, then the more that you are reducing your impacts on the climate, you are reducing manufacturing impacts as well. So just a couple of things to think about whenever you are going out to buy that new mini skirt or whatever. It's important to have that kind of in the back of your head that fast fashion is toxic and it spreads a lot of microplastics as well. So a lot of these shirts and blouses and pants, they're made with plastic. Even your gym wear, your workout wear, a lot of it is made out of plastics. And, when you wash that stuff, the microplastics just go into the water stream. And then also it just embeds into your skin. And those microplastics are so tiny, they can get into your bloodstream and get into your brain. So there's a lot to think about whenever it comes to making responsible choices and habits around what you're putting in your closet. If this helped you think a little deeper, go ahead and give me a like, share, follow. Let me know in the comments how you are changing the game in your own home, your own closet around your clothing and your textiles that you bring home. Thanks. Bye.